So you are blessed with good looks. As a man, you look handsome. And as a woman, you are the talk of the town because you're so beautiful. You're blessed with good looks. You're gorgeous. And you go the extra mile, to exercise at the gym, to keep fit. But all these looks, you shouldn't allow it to get into your head. Because when you eventually die and you're buried, your flesh and body becomes food to ants and termites. They feed off your skin. That's a sure sign that life is nothing but mere vanity. So my sister, sit down, be humble. Sit down, be humble. Now you're fortunate to have a good white-collar job. You work in an office, or you may be a skilled worker. You have handcraft, you have a handwork, and you're making money. You're fortunate, you're blessed, you have a source of income. Or you could fall into the third category of an unskilled person who is a laborer. But the point here is you have a regular source of income. Now, that you have a job doesn't mean you should oppress or disrespect your jobless friends and family and make you feel like you are better than them in any way. Remember, whatever attribute or condition that is making you feel arrogant, someone somewhere has it more than you. Okay, whatever it is you think you have that makes you feel arrogant and pompous, there is somebody somewhere in the world who has it in larger proportions than you do. All the money, the jewelries, the castles, and the houses and cars that you own all belong to the world. Because when you die, you will not take any of them with you to your grave. You will not take anything to the grave because you came with nothing. You go away with absolutely nothing. The day you die and your soul and spirit departs your body, you leave behind all your worldly possessions. You came into this world with nothing, and so also you will leave this world with absolutely nothing. So what's the point feeling pompous and arrogant about something that is just temporary and short? Some people's beautiful body becomes food to wild animals like vultures. Vultures feed off the skin and body of some people. And the sad part is, someone else who never hustled with you, who never tried to hustle and make the money that you made all your life, may inherit your wealth and lavish it and spend it on extravagant lifestyle. So my brother, sit down, be humble. Treat people you meet with utmost respect, irrespective of their social status. Don't look down on anybody. Treat everybody with fairness and equity. Do your utmost to be fair to all that you meet. Go around, spread love, show respect, be amiable, be nice, because life itself is vanity. We came with nothing, we leave with nothing. Sit down, be humble.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, consider subscribing because we put out contents like this every time on this channel. Share this video with every proud and arrogant person you know. You might be saving a life, because arrogance, pride, and boastfulness is a disease, and we need to share content like this with them so that they can learn and improve and become better versions of themselves. You are not better than anybody. No, you're not better than anybody. Like a popular musician in my country said, we are all gifted and unique in our own different ways. Okay? Do not look down on anybody unless you are admiring their shoes. Till I see you next time, I remain Victor Isibo. It's bye for now.